Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to enable or disable the Wi-Fi module on an Alienware Aurora 16 laptop. First, shut down the computer. After that, turn it on by briefly pressing the power button. While the device is launching, repeatedly press the F2 key until you see the BIOS dashboard on your screen. In the BIOS, select Connection on the sidebar. You'll find Wireless Device Enable. If you uncheck this box, you'll disable your Wi-Fi module. To apply these changes, click Apply Changes at the bottom. If you want to enable Wi-Fi, check the box again, click Apply Changes, then OK. You can exit by clicking Exit in the bottom right corner or by pressing the Escape key, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.